the JBuds Air Icon. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will be looking at the new JBuds Air Icon True Wireless Earbuds. These are the new version of the very popular JBuds Air. I will go over some features, specs, provide a microphone sample, and give my thoughts. This was sent out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a detailed user guide, 2 pairs of cush fins, which one pair is already installed. You get gel cushion tips and cloud foam tips. On the inside of the box, you will find some brief shortcuts for the controls along with the package contents pictured. The Air Icon features 6 hours of listening time and 24 hours with the case. This is an increase from the previous version, which had about 3 hours of playtime and 10 to 14 hours with the case. It has quick charge, so 15 minutes of charge will give you about 1 hour of usage, and it takes 2 hours to fully charge. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, which is new. The previous model had a button. This also has dual connect, so you have the ability to use each of the earbuds individually if you prefer, and also stereo calling. It's IP55, dust, sweat, and water resistant. The case is very light and has a nice small form factor. It's plastic all around and has a smooth finish. On the top you can see the JLab branding in gold lettering, which really gives it a sharp look. On the front of the case, you have the LED charge indicator. And on the bottom, you have a handy built-in USB charging cable, so you don't have to worry about losing cables or forgetting them. And it's just a matter of flipping it out and pushing it back in. The lid has a nice tight feel to them, and the earbuds are held into place by magnets. You can also see the ear indicators etched in on the sides. The earbuds have the same familiar feel as the previous version. You can see the nice logo accent on the sides. And these use touch controls as mentioned earlier, which is a big upgrade. Inside, you can see the ear indicator markings. Each of the earbuds have the following: a microphone, LED light, touch control, interchangeable cush fins, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And here they are side by side. The controls are pretty straightforward and laid out nicely in the manual. It's just a matter of holding the side or tapping to navigate the playback and calls. This also comes with the 3 EQ settings: JLab Signature for amplified bass and vocals, Balance, which has no enhancements, and Bass Boost for amplified bass and sub-bass. Just tap the earbuds 3 times to cycle through them. The case comes in at roughly 2.9 by 1.6 by 1.5 inches. It weighs in at 50 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 11 grams. Now for a microphone sample. This is a test of the JBuds Air Icon microphone. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in loud and clear. and callers had no issues hearing me. Watching videos with an iOS device, I didn't experience any noticeable latency or disconnects. Range was good as well. So here are my thoughts on the JBuds Air Icon. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. I found the Air Icons to be very comfortable, just like the previous versions. The cush fins along with various gel tips are a plus, as you can definitely find the correct fit. The new touch controls are a welcome new feature. Not having the buttons anymore doesn't push the earbuds further into your ear canals as you navigate the controls. They also stayed into place while running. Build and quality is also good. The case has a sharp look with the gold branding and it feels durable along with the earbuds. And having the charging cable built in is very handy to have. When it comes to sound, JLab doesn't disappoint. You have the flexibility of cycling through various EQ settings depending on how you want to listen to your music. I feel that the overall bass has adequate punch to it. Mids and highs were very good on these. It's very clear and clean. Vocals and instruments really stand out. It leans more toward the bright sounds. Overall, these are a good pair of earbuds, and JLab has done great with the new upgrades. The long battery life, touch controls, and IP55 rating, just to name a few, make these earbuds great for workouts or everyday use. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.